is your First Alert 5 weather with Alan Rose.
And I would say this Sunday in September looking good here in Colorado Springs. Lots of sunshine with just a few clouds billowing up over the mountains, but not expecting rain for a large part of the area. Might see a pop-up or isolated thunderstorm out towards the southern Sangres, the Continental Divide. Hard pressed to find it anywhere else. So enjoy it. Still a few hours of daylight to go as the sunset tonight is still after 7 o'clock. We have upper 70s for Monument, right near 84 degrees in Denver, 65 Woodland Park. We have 80s for Canyon City, Pueblo, La Junta, 80 in Walsenburg, 77 right now for our friends and viewers in the La Veta area. And overall temperatures running a couple of degrees warmer than this time yesterday. If you watched us last night, we were expecting highs to be just a little bit warmer. I think we do level off though as we make our way into Monday. And right now seeing general wind flow pattern coming out of the east and southeast. Wind speeds around 10 to 15 across the Pikes Peak region, also getting some pretty good breezes out towards Saguache. Otherwise, most areas are down into single-digit territory. For the week ahead, sunny and dry conditions. If you liked what you've seen this weekend, you're going to love my forecast for about the next 3 to 5 days. We'll see pleasant overnight lows because it's so dry out there, above average highs. Our next possibility of rain doesn't look that promising, but maybe out towards Saturday night or Sunday, about 6 or 7 days out. In the meantime, this ridge of high pressure will dominate the weather picture. I think it'll slide a little farther east over the next 2 to 3 days. Then eventually a developing low off the coast of the northwest will push it into Texas as we head towards the weekend. But I still think most of that energy is going to go up and over the ridge. I know Andy just talked about some of these fires still burning, still active in parts of Colorado. The newest one is the Middle Fork fire burning near Steamboat. You can see the air quality looks pretty good. But look what's happening out to the west. We have so many wildfires burning this evening from California to Oregon. You can see all these red dots here indicating the active fire and poor air quality all across the western U.S., even down across southern parts of the Four Corners region. So that ridge is going to cause most of the smoke to go up and over it. High pressure rotates in a clockwise fashion in the northern hemisphere. And that's actually good news for us because I think it keeps most of our air quality pretty good. There might be some periods of light smoke, but for the most part, modeling not showing much of anything over the next couple of days. Highs tomorrow, pretty similar to what we saw today. Should rebound to the low 80s in the Springs and upper 80s in Pueblo. And much like what we saw this afternoon, expect to see plenty of sunshine early. Some chilly temps, so you'll want the jacket, but by the afternoon you can shed the layers. A few clouds popping up over the mountains, but I think as for rain chances, they stay pretty minimal in those areas west of the interstate throughout the day on Monday. So your lows heading into Monday morning will drop down to near 50 in the Springs, upper 40s for Pueblo and the lower Arkansas River Valley, 47 Walsenburg. Check out those highs on Monday, nice and warm for this time of the year, and we will stay above average after a great start to the week. Tuesday into Wednesday does look a little warmer. We're breezy Thursday, Friday. We thought there might be a front that moves through. Now the model's backing off a bit, but I think we'll get a push of a little bit of energy from the atmosphere. That might kick up the wind. Pueblo, a mix of 80s and 90s in your 7-day forecast. Lows down to the upper 40s and low 50s. Canyon City will see 80s here over the next 7 days. Warmest Tuesday and Wednesday, warming up again heading towards next weekend. And for Woodland Park, dry skies, above average highs. Our next chance for rain doesn't enter the picture until Sunday.